Cal Poly students could risk getting locked out of class under the university's COVID-19 testing policy. And as KSBY's Aaron Fay reports, these rules are very specific.
Cal Poly just put into place new rules and consequences for people who don't follow through with COVID-19 testing. Students line up here at the Performing Arts Center for their twice-weekly COVID-19 saliva test.
I really understand what Cal Poly is doing to make sure that we are all safe, but I do think it is excessive crowding here at times, especially on Monday, where I drive past and there's about 300 kids just right here.
Students make appointments or can try and do a walk-up, but they all need to show a photo ID, self-screen campus pass, and a 6-digit code from filling out a survey. They get notified via email or text what their status is.
I think Cal Poly could make it a lot easier. We're required to bring up like 3 pieces of information. The line is extremely long. We don't actually ever get our results, so we don't know if we're positive unless they tell us whenever they want to.
Students have 3 calendar days to test. If they do not, they get 3 warnings before a potential lockout. Once they finally take the test, it can take up to an hour to reactivate their campus privileges. People in need of accommodations can contact the Disability Resource Center. Reese Wheeler has type 1 diabetes and she came in with her medical alert dog. I asked her about her experience getting an appointment.
I don't get priority, but it's like really easy to make appointments. I do it the day of usually, and I'm always can get in.
I have to take time out of my week twice a week to come do this. Whenever you need to fill out a survey before you get here, fill out another survey, schedule an appointment. I mean, it's like an hour process to come do this twice a week now. And then I just talked to a friend that got vaccinated and she said she even has to do it even though she's fully vaccinated.
If people do not comply, they can be locked out of their email accounts, Zoom classes, Canvas app, and more. They can sign into their portal to view updates or to upload COVID-19 test results.
I personally haven't been affected by it yet. Since I have to be on campus every week, I don't mind coming in and getting tested, so it's been fine for me so far.
Students can come to 2 different locations on campus for their testing, but they are both closed on Saturdays. In San Luis Obispo, Aaron Fay, KSBY News.
University officials tell us the testing is for the overall health and safety of students and university employees. They say while most students are getting tested as required, about 150 are not complying.